Welcome to the Top Tech Picks YouTube channel. Worried about what's happening at home when you're away? In this video, we unveil the best wireless security camera system for home, designed to keep every corner of your property safe, without messy cables. Imagine crystal clear 4K footage, reliable night vision, and instant mobile alerts, all controlled from your smartphone. Whether you're looking for a robust outdoor security camera or a discreet indoor setup, our top picks deliver seamless wireless connectivity and easy installation. Stay tuned as we compare features, performance, and value to help you choose the perfect system for your peace of mind. Ready to upgrade your home security? Let's dive in and find the ideal solution today. Number 5. Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight. Camera Review. Top wire-free home security. The Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight Camera 2-pack delivers a powerful wireless security solution for any home, making it a standout choice in. With crisp 2K video and HDR, you'll capture every detail, from license plates to facial features, day or night. The built-in color night vision ensures your property remains illuminated even in low-light conditions, while the integrated spotlight adds an extra layer of deterrence against unwanted visitors. Installation is remarkably simple. These wire-free cameras connect directly to your Wi-Fi network, no hub required, so you can position them wherever coverage is needed. The rechargeable batteries last for weeks, and the intuitive mounting kit lets you adjust angles in seconds. Two-way audio lets you greet guests or warn off intruders, and the custom activity zones minimize false alerts from passing cars or wildlife. The Arlo mobile app provides real-time notifications and easy access to recorded clips, making remote monitoring a breeze. If you subscribe to Arlo Secure, you gain advanced features like person detection, package alerts, and cloud storage, perfect for families and small businesses alike. Weather-resistant construction ensures reliable performance through rain, snow, or heat. Overall, the Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight camera strikes an excellent balance between professional-grade features and user-friendly design. Its combination of high-resolution video, effortless setup, and robust smart alerts positions it as a leading wireless security camera system for homeowners looking to upgrade their protection in. Number 4. eufyCam S3 Pro 4Cam Kit, Solar-Powered 4K, Wireless Security. The eufyCam eufyCam S3 Pro 4Cam Kit is a robust, solar-powered solution that elevates home protection. Each camera captures crisp 4K video with max color night vision, delivering vibrant, full-color footage even after dusk. Installation is cable-free. Just mount the units and connect them to the included solar panels for continuous power, eliminating battery swaps and reducing maintenance. One standout feature is the AI-driven face recognition, which filters out false alarms by distinguishing between family members, pets, and strangers. This intelligent detection keeps notifications relevant, so you only get alerted to genuine security events. The system's expandable local storage means your video clips stay private. No subscription fees or cloud dependencies are required. Connectivity is seamless thanks to the integrated Homebase Hub, which maintains a secure link between cameras and your network. The Eufy mobile app offers live view, two-way audio, and customizable motion zones, ensuring you can monitor and interact with visitors in real time. Weather-resistant construction ensures reliable performance in rain or shine, while the solar panels provide up to 6 months of autonomy on a single charge. Overall, the eufyCam S3 Pro 4Cam Kit blends advanced imaging, AI smarts, and true wireless freedom into a user-friendly package. It's an ideal choice for homeowners seeking a high-resolution, low-maintenance security solution that delivers professional-grade features without ongoing fees. Number 3. eufyCam 3 Add-on Solar-Powered 4K Spotlight Camera for Home Security. The eufyCam 3 Add-on camera brings premium features to your existing Homebase 3 setup, making it a top choice for homeowners upgrading their surveillance. This wireless outdoor unit captures crystal clear 4K footage and pairs seamlessly with a dedicated solar panel for continuous, maintenance-free power. Whether monitoring driveways or backyard perimeters, the integrated spotlight enhances visibility and deters unwanted guests after dark. What truly sets this camera apart is its AI-powered face recognition, which intelligently filters alerts by distinguishing familiar faces from strangers. This means fewer false alarms and more meaningful notifications delivered directly to your smartphone. The expandable local storage option ensures your recordings stay private and accessible. No subscription fees or cloud reliance required. Installation is straightforward. Mount the camera, sync it with Homebase 3, and position the solar panel in direct sunlight. The Eufy app offers live streaming, two-way audio, and customizable motion zones, giving you full control over your surveillance zones. Durable weatherproof construction guarantees reliable performance through rain, snow, or heat. Overall, the eufyCam 3 add-on camera excels as a flexible, high-resolution solution for anyone seeking a robust, wire-free security upgrade. Its blend of solar autonomy, intelligent detection, and vivid 4K imaging makes it a compelling addition to any modern home security system. Number 2. AOSU Solar Wireless. Outdoor cameras, 2K, color, night vision, and no-fee security. The AOSU Solar Security Cameras 2 Cam Kit offers an impressive blend of convenience and performance for modern home surveillance. Setup takes just minutes, literally a 2-minute DIY installation, thanks to its completely wireless design and included mounting hardware. Once in place, the integrated solar panels keep the units powered day and night, eliminating battery changes and ensuring uninterrupted monitoring. Image quality is outstanding at 2K resolution, with color night vision that captures clear, detailed footage even in low light. Whether you're checking on a package delivery or monitoring your backyard, the cameras deliver vibrant, true-to-life video. Dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 and 5 GHz, provides a stable connection, reducing lag and buffering during live viewing. One of the biggest perks is the no-subscription model. All recordings are saved locally to a microSD card, sold separately, giving you full control over your footage without recurring fees. The companion mobile app sends instant motion alerts and supports two-way audio, so you can greet visitors or warn off intruders in real time. Durability is also a highlight. These cameras are built to withstand rain, heat, and cold, making them suitable for any climate. Customizable motion zones help filter out false alarms from passing cars or wildlife, ensuring you only get notified when it matters. Overall, the AOSU Solar Security Cameras 2 Cam Kit delivers robust, cost-effective protection for homeowners seeking an easy-to-install, high-quality system. Its combination of solar power, superior night vision, and truly wireless operation makes it a standout choice for anyone upgrading their property's safety. Number 1. Reolink Argus 4 Pro 4K solar-powered wireless camera with 180-degree coverage. The Reolink Argus 4 Pro is a powerhouse addition to any home security setup, offering stunning 8MP 4K resolution and ColorX night vision for vivid day and night footage. Its solar panel keeps the camera powered continuously, eliminating battery swaps and ensuring round-the-clock surveillance. The standout feature is its 180-degree no blind spot lens, which captures expansive views without needing multiple units. Connectivity is rock solid, thanks to dual-band 5 GHz 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi 6, delivering fast, reliable streaming and minimal latency when viewing live feeds. The built-in AI detection distinguishes between people, vehicles, and animals, reducing false alerts and sending you only the most relevant notifications. Plus, with no monthly fees, all recordings are stored locally or on a compatible home hub, giving you full control over your data. Installation is straightforward. Mount the camera, sync with the Reolink app, and you're ready to monitor your property. Two-way audio lets you communicate with visitors or deter intruders, while weatherproof construction ensures reliable performance in rain, snow, or heat. Overall, the Argus 4 Pro combines professional-grade imaging, intelligent alerts, and solar autonomy into a user-friendly package. Whether you're protecting your front porch or backyard, this wireless outdoor camera delivers exceptional coverage and peace of mind, making it a top contender for home security.